What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. Just going to do a quick recap on a couple things. This is a 2013 Ford Focus ST with a 2-liter turbocharged engine. Really good little car. But the video you're watching, and I'll put a link down below for it, is how to replace the canister purge valve, which is that entire front tubular assembly that you see there sitting on top of the car. We replaced this about 30,000 miles ago. P1450 will be a check engine light code you'll see that comes up, and it'll say vacuum unable to establish for the fuel tank or something relating to the emissions system. But if you see P1450 as a trouble code that comes up, you probably need to replace this canister purge valve, it's called. And I'll put a link down below where you can get it, but you can get it at most auto parts stores or on Amazon and that sort of thing. It definitely solved the problem, but what I thought was interesting, that it only lasted 30,000 miles. And I've seen other people who have the same car, and they say they replace theirs roughly every 25 to 30,000 miles. So especially as the mileage starts to get higher, this car now has almost 190,000 miles on it. As you see where I'm showing where it's located. Make sure you get the authentic OEM Ford part for this. I don't recommend the aftermarket Chinese parts for something like this. But something interesting is Ford did offer a one-time free replacement of this part. And I'll put a link down below for it. But if you just Google customer satisfaction recall or something relating to customer satisfaction on the canister purge valve for this model, if yours has not been done, Ford will replace it for you for free. And they did it on this car, actually. After I already replaced it once, they've replaced it for free. And that's pretty awesome, actually. So make sure you look into that. As far as it's not really a recall per se, but it's called a customer satisfaction replacement. And that's it. So yeah, we got videos about this car. I'll show you the playlist link that'll pop up at the end of this video. Tons of videos about the Ford Focus ST and other cars, actually. If you see my channel, I have almost 2,000 videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, old videos, new videos, how to fix things, doing stuff around the house, just tons of videos. We're constantly doing stuff. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that you'll see under the video screen. If we saved your life, so to speak, or saved you money or helped you solve a problem, we would appreciate a donation. It'll help us do videos in the future. So make sure you see that thanks button underneath the video screen and send us a donation. We try to really help you out with any kind of video relating to all kinds of stuff. Anyway, so yeah, y'all have a great day. Check it out, and we'll see y'all later.